somebody deleted his email or something, it was very difficult for him to get the OMR and stuff.
Birth certificate is not necessary if you are bringing your written certificate.
Please make sure you do multiple copies of your documents.
NMC said ki you could join only till 30th of September.
Bring as much photos as you can.
You need to dress up in a decent way.
And the result was on, I guess, 27 or 28. So I had बहुत कम time. So
Never laminate the annexures.
make certain sets कि हाँ 1, 2, 3, 4 these are sets. So if they ask, you can just
Normal black and white Xerox, the green tick doesn't show off and they will not consider it. So bring color Xerox.
कुछ हेल्थ केयर स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट होता है हाँ तो उधर क्या क्या
Anime for girls, they asked about your menstrual history and
टॉकिंग अबाउट द एडमिशन प्रोसेस लाइक एकदम स्टेट कोटा के लिए एंड फर्स्ट कमिंग टू द स्टेट कोटा लाइक एकदम स्टार्टिंग एडमिशन डे में तुम कैसे हुए थे लाइक द एंटायर प्रोसेस
the admission day, I remember in the morning it was raining, Dibrugarh. So what happened? We lined up in front of the auditorium. Then each one of went inside the auditorium. We were given a admission form and one envelope where we have to put our documents, because in Assam they keep the university, the college keeps your original documents. So first we have to fill up the whole admission form, which consists of your basic details, and then you have to submit your original documents. They will check your documents very thoroughly, and please make sure you do multiple copies of your documents, because it gets very difficult, to run here and there to get copies. Plus bring as much photos as you can, because it's very difficult. And dress decently.
What are the list of documents you brought? You remembered?
Class 10 mark sheet and certificate, class 12 mark sheet and certificate, NEET admit card. Please download and save your NEET OMR sheet very nicely, because in our batch somebody deleted his email or something. It was very difficult for him to get the OMR and stuff. If you belong to some category, you bring your category certificates. For example, for OBC, bring your OBC NCL. If you're ST and SC, bring caste certificate, PWD certificate if you're eligible, and PRC, and they will keep your PRC. And other documents, yes, the annexures are very important, and bring multiple copies of annexure, and fill the annexures properly, and never laminate the annexures, because one from our batch laminated the annexures, for which she got scolded. So it's not necessary to laminate all your documents, and bring more number of copies, and it should be colored. Color Xerox, especially if you have OBC NCL, there is a green tick. So if you bring the normal black and white Xerox, the green tick doesn't show off and they will not consider it. So bring color Xerox.
Since I joined in the straight round, so I had like the NMC said ki you could join only till 30th of September, and the result was on, I guess, 27 or 28. So I had बहुत कम time, so we had to rush everything. Yeah, it's like the normal college hours, the administrative block hours. So you go to the administrative block and you ask for the admission process. So what you have to bring is definitely your college allotment letter, your NEET admit card, your grade 10th mark sheet and certificate, grade 12 mark sheet and certificate. Your birth certificate is not necessary if you are bringing your grade 10 certificate, but bring it just in case, who knows. And then your grade 12 transfer certificate, migration certificate, you're from All India quota. And if you are from a certain category, bring your category certificate. And if you are PWD, bring that certificate as well. Apart from that, your passport size photos, as she said, as much as possible. And then all of these documents, keep a proper copy, like make certain sets ki 1, 2, 3, 4 these are sets. So if they ask, you can just pick it up and give, because at that time, like काफी सब chaos is there and then everything. So better to stay organized.
फ्रॉम स्टेट कोटा ब्रिंग द स्टेट मेरिट लिस्ट में जिसमें तुम्हारा नाम है ना, वो पेज तुमको स्क्रीनशॉट मार के उसका प्रिंट आउट निकाल के लाना होता है. नहीं, अलॉटमेंट लेटर नहीं, वो भी चाहिए. हाँ, अपने नाम को हाईलाइट करके रखना, वो चाहिए होता.
You need to dress up in a decent way. You said okay, fine. उसके बाद हाँ, कुछ एक हेल्थ केयर स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट होता है. हाँ, तो उधर क्या क्या होता है, लाइक हाउ मेनी स्टेशंस यू हैव गॉन एंड लाइक क्या क्या हुआ था, कुछ याद है?
तो देयर आर मैनी स्टेशंस. हमारा जब हुआ था तो ऑडिटोरियम में ही हुआ था. तो बेसिकली दे सेट अप डिफरेंट स्टेशन. फर्स्ट था गायनी में फॉर गर्ल्स दे आस्क्ड अबाउट योर menstrual history and stuff, and then it was surgery. They ask basic details about any previous surgeries or anything you have done before. Then in medicine they check your BP, weight, height, normal things. And then in psychiatry they ask about your general questions about your family history and stuff. And then ENT, they check your ears, and then they check your eyesight, color blindness, and that.
Anything else? I see 4 boys, 1 extra or that. Yeah.